Hobby Kids TV.
Welcome to Hobby Kids TV. I am Hobby Mom.
Attention parents and kids. We are on the new YouTube Kids app.
This is exciting news, everybody. If you have a tablet, which most people do, an iPhone or an iPad, an Android tablet of some kind, an iPod, you can download the free YouTube Kids app that they just released today. Can you believe that? It's amazing. This is something that we've been waiting for. If you open it up, it has this cool little intro here just for kids. Parents, you can put a timer on it, you can put a lock on it, you can put a password on it. As you get in and explore, there's different categories here at the top. So your little ones can navigate easily. Now if you have older kids, you can have them watch on the regular app. If you scroll over, go to Explore and you scroll over, look, there we are. Do you see us? This is our channel. We are on, we made the cut. See? What's nice about it for kids is it's streamlined so that little ones, like my 2-year-old for instance, he loves to press buttons. Everything is kid safe and friendly. So if they click on one of these here, there's no comments, there's no annotations, there's no thumbs up, there's no subscribe. It's very simple. We have our playlist here. You can go in and search something specific that you're looking for. Although, of course, we want to advocate you staying with Hobby Kids TV channel, but there are some other great learning channels on here. We are also actually beefing up and incorporating more educational videos this year, in addition to our stories and surprises. So exciting things. We're so happy. You can find us so easily now on your phone, on your iPad, on any tablet, just about any tablet, I believe. And if you can't find us, just go to the little magnifying glass that you see here and type in Hobby Kids TV, and look, we come right up. You see that? So we're really privileged and excited to be featured as one of the channels on this new app that is considered kid safe and kid friendly and parent approved. Isn't that right? Oh, he agrees.
Hobby Mom, is there games on here?
There are actually. We did see some games, some learning channels, arts and crafts. There's a lot of variety, and we like to incorporate a lot of variety in our videos too. So stick around, guys. Keep an eye out. We got some fun ideas coming out. We are definitely the innovators of the kid genre as far as ideas go, so come back often. Having a safe, family-friendly place has been important to us from day one, which is why we take pride in having such a clean channel for families, kids of all ages, adolescents, even we get comments from teenagers and adults that love watching our stuff. We are so thankful for all of our hobby friends and hobby fans. We're excited for this. And look, you can even do voice-activated searches, so let's try this out. Hobby Kids Play-Doh. And look at that, it came up with our Play-Doh videos. So if you are looking for something in particular, most likely we will have it. Give YouTube a great big thumbs up for adding free app for kids of all ages. If you guys have an idea for a video or would like to see more of a particular type of category on our channel, please leave us comments or send us a message, and we'll see you guys on the next show. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye.
Toodles.